Day 12. 2 weeks na. Distance, baggage, tuloy. Check, outfit check. Last time, ang ganyan lang tayo sa Union. Ngayon susubukan natin malampasan. Continuous running. Let's go! So inaabot na tayo ng gabi, ng dilim. Umalis tayo dun is 5:05 to be exact. 5:05 PM and time check, it's already 6:05 PM. So 1 hour na tayo naglalakad. 1 hour 1 hour na tayo nagja-jogging. So this is the 12th time jogging tayo. First week up to 3 kilometers lang yun ating continue, ating kinakaya. What I mean is continuous jogging, walang pahinga, 3 kilometers. But ngayon, pa second week na natin, 5 kilometers na. 5 kilometers to 5.5. So, ayun. Good luck.